Morning. Morning. My favourite spot.
Our view this morning. The ducks wakening up. Well, we finally kind of did it. We have been up and all. Try to get up for sunrise. It's happened earlier than the weather says. He's in setting up the drone. It's flying. Go and catch that sunrise.
Stand here a while, take a little time. Since you went away, it came to a halt. Silence is everywhere.
It's that morning, back to 6. Nicky flew with a drone up there. The van's got the heater on, I know it's got the door opened. Should be warm. Get back in because it's freezing. It's absolutely stunning. The ducks, the geese. Oh, she caught it. She caught it.
Have a drone still in one piece? I thought the birds were going to go.
Has the sun rose yet? No?
Hey?
Has the sun actually risen yet?
No, really. That's to call my hand on them.
You're going back out in like 10 minutes?
I don't know. The birds were going to go for the drone, by the way.
They
You
weren't
seen
they?
them?
They weren't going to go for the
They
door.
were.
With a painted smile, I was the willow tree. You were the fire that burned me right till the end. We didn't know we lost. It's not easy living with my fingers crossed. You ran away from all the madness. You stumbled till you found your pace.
Oh, we've been watching some snowboarding because we should have been snowboarding this week, but well, there's no snow. I'm actually outside the van and I've just thought it's actually warmer outside the van than it is inside the van. But I'm in the van, it's home. I think this is where it's parked up the most. We're over at the van, it's absolutely Baltic. I'm here to do work, but I've actually got the diesel heater going, so I'm now going to know when to open any doors. But we took the mattress out yesterday and we do have mildew. The mattress was absolutely fine, it's just the wood, and it actually isn't as bad as it looks. It's wet now because I've got cleaner on it just to let that soak in to try and kill some of the spores. I'm going to go and get bleach and put that on it as well. But while the mattress is out, I'll get some jobs done. So the cupboard doors are sticking when you open them, so I'm going to take them off and sand the bottom of them. Same with that door. Hopefully I'm going to be able to cut these, need to round the edges off because they are sore when you hit your shell on them. And I've got plastic trim in that garage somewhere to put over the top. Same as that stuff. That stuff actually needs to come off and get done better. And I think that's it for today anyway. But this bed is the thing that we need to get sorted, so I might sand all this back down. I don't know though. I've not got anywhere near enough holes in it. I need loads more holes in it, so I'll put them in. And I'm also toying with the idea of getting the things at the garden centre that you sit plants on to let the air circulate. So if I get enough of them, I can just lie them underneath the mattress and there'll still be air circulating. You can clearly see the way we sleep. This end, all the body heat is there, the rest not too bad. So we'll film some of this. I might know, you know what I'm like, I forget.
Your beautiful life.
So I'm just going to put plastic trim around this. It'll make such a difference. Done loads of wee bits today, but I will do a... This is exactly what we've done when I'm finished. So the bed has it's got more holes put in it for a start. And it's been sanded down, it's been cleaned, and it's been sprayed with that stuff. So we're just going to let that dry in. I've put some of the plastic on the splashbacks. You can see that any better. I need to get something better to stick that side, and that bit's all done. But same with the back there, it's not sticking, so I need something else to stick it. Yeah, we're both camping out over here today because we're getting windies put in the house, so we're kind of homeless today. Hiya, right, I think I'm going to leave the video here this week. We've been getting new windows put in the day, so I'm about to head over to the house and see what kind of state it's in. So we better get putting this house back together. It shouldn't take too long, to be honest, but tomorrow will be a day of cleaning everywhere. It's quite dusty. So, see you all next week. Remember, like, subscribe, ding the bell. We'll be making plans this week actually. We're making plans for a big trip. We're hoping to do Skye in May, maybe even some of the North Coast 500. Well, Ascent, which is my favourite place in the whole world. So, see you later. Bye.